Hi everyone, welcome to my short video, just updating you on my stocks and shares ISA. And in this particular video, these are the ETFs, which I always call the concrete foundation of my ISA. And this is for the week ending the 18th of July 2026. Just obviously to say that this is not financial advice, it's just showing you my personal journey and my ISA as it develops over the weeks, months, and years. And so if we get straight into it, as you can see, I call these my foundation, my three ETFs. On the right-hand side of the screen are last week's positions, and in the bigger image on the left-hand side of the screen are the positions this week. Not a great deal happened. In fact, the E3Qs has gone down a little bit, but that's to be expected. Ups and downs will happen week to week. Really, what we're looking for is obviously growth over the years, and with an ISA, you're looking to a minimum 3 to 5 years and really 10 years plus. So we're not going to get too worried about ups and downs over the weeks, but I like to watch them not only over the weeks, I watch them every day because I get excitement seeing the positions move. On the other video, when I do my dividends, etc., on my stocks and shares, I call my fund stocks and shares. I like to see the dividends coming in, the growth on those. But on these concrete foundation ones, as I call them, my three ETFs, we're looking for long-term growth really. And every so often I will add a little bit more of my own money to help boost them up and grow them, because obviously with this snowball we're building, and it's always, I think, a good idea to think of it as a snowball. It starts off small, and then as you roll it along the ground on the snow, it slowly builds, but it grows slowly. And it's really the first part that takes all the effort to grow. And then as it gets to the latter stages, the bigger size snowball, then it'll move on its own. Well, I started this, the end of January, end of February-ish time, 2026. And we're only in July 2026. So this is still really, really early days. So so a little bit of basically standing still, although the E3Qs fell back a little bit. So nothing to worry about, but at least I record these videos, and then over time, people can look back and see the position as it's developed over the weeks. Because hopefully after a few years, there'll be a video for each week, and we're able to see how it gathers momentum and grows. So so that's how it stands at the moment. My three ETF concrete foundation part of my ISA. So I hope you've enjoyed that. If you have, please subscribe, like, and follow. Try and get some fun out of these ISA savings, because normally investing is boring. I like to put a bit of excitement into it. And yes, I do get some excitement out of my three ETFs, but I'll get even more excitement in the next video I shall be doing out of my fun stocks and shares. So as I say, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and follow, and see you in the next video really soon.